Watch the video till the end. You have a surprise gift waiting for you. Hello. The idea behind this dosa samosa is to utilize what is left over. So if you have made a chicken 65, you can turn that into samosa, and you don't have to wait for a dough to make or a sheet to buy. Just use a dosa batter, make a light dosa. Don't cook it too full because you can't fold it up, it will break. And then fill it inside with the pulled chicken. Fold it nicely. You can seal it with either of egg mix or just a plain water and flour mix to close it nicely. Either you can deep fry or shallow fry and then serve it with a coconut chutney. Coconut chutney you can see in one of our other video. This is simple and easy recipe you can do. Let me know your feedback. Subscribe to us. Watch our other other videos. It's so easy, but we do all in a high-end style. But it's easy to make, simple, innovative ideas. Click the bell icon. Follow us. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We are all out there. And then you can even read our magazine that is available online. It's called Fine Dining Indian. Thank you. Be with us. Enjoy the recipe.